Hello, in front of me I have FITBIT Charge 5 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our device. To do it, simply double tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the list of apps. Find the app called Alarms, and as you can see it says tap to add. Let's tap on it, and now we can set up our alarm. Basically set the hour on which it's gonna be ringing. And here we can swipe up and down like this to scroll through the times, or rather the hours. Select the hour you like. For example, I want it to ring at 6, and then let's tap on the hour you like to apply it like this, and then set the minutes. For example, I want it to ring at 6:30, so I'm gonna tap on 30 to select it. And here we can select between AM and PM. I want it to ring at in the morning, so I'm gonna select AM like this. And now my alarm will ring at 6:30 AM. And we can tap on it right here to enable it or disable it by tapping the switch. You can also, right here on the list of apps, when you highlight the alarms, you can swipe up now to add the new alarm, basically. And if you tap on the alarm app, here you can scroll down and you have a couple of options for your alarm. Like I said before, you can enable it or disable it by tapping the switch right here. You can tap on repeats, and here basically you can customize on which day, or rather which days it's gonna be repeating itself. So if you select one time, it's gonna only ring next day and it's gonna stop. If you select every day, it's gonna be active every day. Basically it won't be, or rather it will be repeating itself every day. And here you can basically customize on which days it's gonna be active, and you can select or check or uncheck some days. For example, I want it to ring on Thursday and Friday. And once you're done, tap on done to save your settings. As you can see now, it says it's gonna be repeating on Thursday and Friday. Below the repeat option, we have Smart Wake, and here we can enable this option. This option basically will attempt to wake you up during the light sleep phase of your sleeping, and it's gonna try to do it within the 30-minute window of set time. So if you have the alarm set to 6:30, it's gonna try to wake you up between 6 AM and 6:30 AM. And once you enable this option, it's gonna be enabled right here, and you can disable it by tapping the switch again. And at the bottom we have remove button. This basically allows you to remove the alarm. So you can tap on it, remove, and tap yes to remove it. And now the alarm is gone. And that's how you set the alarm on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.